Welcome. In this lesson, we'll explore how to add event listeners to elements using JavaScript and enhance them with event delegation. This technique is useful when dealing with dynamically generated elements or optimizing event handling in large applications. The goal is to attach event listeners efficiently. Instead of adding multiple listeners to similar elements, we delegate events to a common parent, improving performance and maintainability. This function allows event delegation by checking if the event target matches a specified selector. If no target is provided, it behaves like a normal event listener. The function checks if an event originates from the specific target before executing the callback. This enables efficient event handling for dynamically added elements. Direct event binding works well for static elements, while delegated binding is better for dynamically created elements. Using options like options true can enable capturing phase event handling. Event delegation is useful in many real-world scenarios, such as handling dynamic UI updates or improving performance by reducing the number of event listeners in a document. Summary: we've explored how to efficiently attach event listeners with optional delegation. This technique is widely used in UI frameworks and modern JavaScript applications. Thank you for following along. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.